Power the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Well, it's the second round of action continuing here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And for the continuation of our second round of elimination here in the Bicol University's Colleges and Athletic League Season 6, I am L.A. Lapid, and together with me is Jasper Abente to bring you the latest updates and heat up of actions here live in the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And also live on our media partners, One Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and also to our social media pages, Bukal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, and also in the One Media TV 48 Naga Facebook page. And this time, our match at hand, it's the Mariners Blue Dolphins taking on the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Ayan, LA, magandang umaga sa lahat ng nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live via Bukal Facebook page and of course Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Match na match po ang first game natin this Sunday. We have the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Pasacao Academy White Tigers in the Juniors Division. Alright, so as we can remember, LA, no, itong ating White Tigers, meron silang standing na 0 wins and 6 losses. So they are still looking for their first win this season. Titingnan natin kung makukuha na nila yan dito sa second round. Kontra dito sa ating Mariners Blue Dolphins with 1 win and 5 losses naman. And yung kauna-unahang panalo nitong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins ay yung last match nila on the first round against the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. So match na match itong laban na ito on this first game this Sunday. So titingnan natin kung makukuha na ba ng White Tigers yung kanilang unang panalo this season or the second win of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Well, actually, this time, it's the Pasacao Academy should have this win. It is a very important game for them because if they still lose in this game, they have lower and lower chances of entering the playoff round, as well as the Mariners Blue Dolphins, who are currently sitting at the number 5 seed, while the Pasacao Academy sitting in the number 6 seed in the Division 2. But right now, something's clear in this bracketing. Are we seeing the Pasacao Academy White Tigers snapping their 6-game losing skid, or will the Mariners Blue Dolphins continue a dominant run or a short dominant run in the hands of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers?
Alright, so this is, if kung manalo itong ating Mariners Blue Dolphins, this is their first win on the second round, right? And ito namang ating Pasacao Academy White Tigers, very crucial game for them since ayun na nga, they are on the last seeding of our round eliminations. Abangan natin yan kung sino ang mag-uwi ng unang panalo on the second round of our eliminations. Abangan rin natin, LA, kung ano yung ipapakita nitong mga players na ito since they are ready for the tip-off. We'll see.
Ball is up and Escano throws it up to the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. But still an early struggle. Now here comes Paul Beltran. Still comes up short on that layup. Now let's call on our courtside reporter from the bench of the Blue Dolphins. From the bench of the Mariners Blue Dolphins, let's call on our courtside reporter Hannah Moral. Hannah, take it away.
Ayan, we'll be right back. Ayan, babalikan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Hannah because we are experiencing some technical difficulties. Konti lang naman. Medyo naka-off ata yung mic ni Hannah doon. Pero let's check on these two teams with that first blood by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Magandang simula para sa Pasacao Academy White Tigers. So let's see kung ano yung gagawing pagbawi dito on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 3 with that pull-out jumper, and that's good by Badong on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
Some bounce sneaking that pass on the inside to Badong and gets that easy basket because he was open there in the paint as the number 4 Francisco once again sneaks a layup for the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Well, yung last game nitong ating Pasacao Academy White Tigers kontra dun sa
Genesis Roaring
Alright,
Lions.
sa kontra sa Genesis Roaring Lions, no. Nakita natin yung eagerness and yung dedication nitong ating Pasacao Academy White Tigers na makuha yung unang panalo nila on that first round eliminations. Nakita natin yung adjustments nila dun sa kanilang lapses. Pero let's see ngayon, since they are doing good here sa first sequence natin on the first
Especially
quarter.
on their lead last time when they are facing the Genesis Roaring Lions. It was actually a double-digit lead of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers before the Genesis Roaring Lions overtaking that lead and still winning the game 76-70. So I think what the Pasacao Academy White Tigers have to do here is to start strong and finish strong also. So this time there is no room for errors for this team as they have lower and lower chances if ever they lose here as number 14 throws up a 3.
What
spice
a
up.
3 by Bio on the side of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Napakaganda, napakaagang tres on the side of the White Tigers. Tingnan natin LA kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan, paano nila yan i-maintain para naman manatiling dominant dito. As we can see, Badong acquired that traveling violation. Syempre, more traveling with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Ayan, let's call on our courtside reporter, Hannah, on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Ready na siya. Ayan, Hannah, anong update natin dyan?
Basketball fans, and now we are on the first matchup ngayong Sunday at ito ang mainit na tapatan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins versus the Pasacao Academy. Matatandaan na ang Mariners Blue Dolphins came up short on their last matchup, ending up with a score of 64-81 laban sa STI Olympians. At nakausap nga natin ang isa sa mga players ng Dolphins na si Paul Beltran, at ani niya ay mas pina-improve nila ang kanilang depensa dahil ayon sa kanya, doon sila nagkulang last game. Dagdag niya pa ay i-maintain nila ang kanilang opensa, at kahit makalamang man ang kalaban, he reminds his teammates na huwag panghinaan ng loob and still give their 100% because every minute dito sa hardcourt ay pagkakataon to prove na ang Dolphins ay hindi basta-basta magpapatalo. Kaya naman ngayong umaga ay ready na sila to bounce back at i-dominate ang hardcourt. Masecure kaya ng Mariners Blue Dolphins ang panalo ngayong umaga? Yan ang aabangan natin. Kaya tumutok lamang only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Hannah Moral, reporting from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Hannah, on that update from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. That is very crucial, LA, no? Yung panghinaan ka ng loob dito sa ating basketball, that is very crucial because pag nakikita na nilang lumalamang, not all mostly, pag lumalamang na yung opponent nila, yun na nga, pinanghihinaan na sila ng loob. Therefore, they are not executing their game plan. Medyo nagsasarili-sarili na din sila ng plays. Pero this time, abangan natin yan sa Mariners Blue Dolphins kung paano nila i-maintain yung kanilang self-esteem and of course the confidence to fight up for their first win this second round and their second win this season. Abangan natin yung adjustments nila sa kanilang depensa dahil yun na nga yung lapses nila doon sa last match nila against the STI Junior Olympians. So we'll see. Tutok lamang dahil tutunghayan pa natin kung ano-ano yung ginawang adjustments dito ng dalawang teams na ito.
And right now, we have a 1-point lead of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers, courtesy of that layup by Paul Angelo Beltran. But here comes a traveling violation. Traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours.
Alright, now ball possession of the White Tigers.
Full court press action here by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. So here comes Paula.
Easy layup for Bola with that assist by Escado. That's good for the White Tigers. Now let's see kung anong ganti naman ang gagawin dito on the side of the Blue Dolphins with Sambahon. Now, Sambahon on the outside with 10 seconds to shoot here on that corner shot. No good on that 3 points attempt.
He was quite pressured on that corner shot, but here comes a rebound by Beltran.
Third chance of the Blue Dolphins, and this time that's good for the Blue Dolphins. Now Escano. Oriol with that 3 points attempt, and that's good! 3 points. Back-to-back 3 points by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Once again, let's see. Oriol with that no hesitation shot. Stops and pops. That's good. Natin sa atin yan ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Ayan.
When Oriol is actually open, he doesn't hesitate to take a shot on the 3-point line. Now here comes the Pasacao Academy on the offense once again, and still a full court press by the Blue Dolphins as they trail here.
Oriol again with a steal here by Sambahon. Now jersey number 21 with that layup and a pass. Underneath pass, and that's good. They secure that ball courtesy of Sambahon with that pass by jersey number 21 De Leon. Now, no good on that attempt by the White Tigers. Defensive rebound here by the Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 24.
Beltran, one-on-one with Bio, and he ties up the scoring for the Pasacao Academy and the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We're 14-all in the start of the first quarter.
3 minutes and 15 seconds remaining din sa ating first quarter. Now, let's see. Medyo sumasabit na partner pero kayang-kaya pa. Now, let's see.
Especially, I think we're back-to-back again.
Yes. Sunod na laban.
And there's a shot clock violation committed by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers, and a couple of substitutions here as the two Escanos are now on the floor for Pasacao, and also a substitution also on the part of the Mariners Blue Dolphins.
Ayan. Tayo pa rin ang makakasama nila LA later sa ating last game. Mamaya pa naman yan. We have the Mariners Blue Dolphins and the Bisca Spartans in the seniors division for our highlight this Sunday. And as you can see, LA, no, medyo bilang lang yung fans or yung supporters natin dito sa atin here, Dinaga University Gymnasium. Pero for sure, LA, nakatutok sila sa ating live coverage via Bukal Facebook page and of course on Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Ayan, at mag-shoutout tayo dito kay John Angelo Aubor. And also we have here EJ Miraj, Anton Quadrante. Ayan, happy viewing po sa inyong lahat. As we can see, now, ball possession of the White Tigers here.
It's still a tie ball game here as Escano opens up a 3, and Escano rebounds it. Mac Escano
Now, Oriol to Bola. Pushes to the inside. Now, Oriol on the outside. Bio with that. No good.
Just as the shot clock expires but comes up short on that pull-up jumper.
Sambahon on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
With 2 minutes left in this ball game. And 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes Beltran once again. I think Beltran is the man on the offense here for the Blue Dolphins. But Sambahon doesn't get that two hands.
Now Oriol to Bio. Fakes for the 3 and tries to go inside with that assist. That's good for Escano on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Ayan, tinapos na nila doon yung deadlock natin on 14 points. Let's see here kung anong bawi naman ang gagawin nitong ating Blue Dolphins.
Slow start for both of these teams but Beltran slips away that ball after that pass of number 77, Dumalasa. Also a substitution here for the Pasakaw Academy as PJ Lawansing checks in for the White Tigers.
Now,
Alimuin
Alimuin
takes a bump.
the same ball possession for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. 57 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter with 2 points lead of the White Tigers here. Now, Luwansing. No good on that attempt. Pero an offensive rebound here by Alimuin. Now, Escano with that off-balance shot. No good.
Almost getting that fadeaway shot to go. Now here comes Beltran. Ooh, almost a block there by Escano, but Escano goes hard on the floor. And he fouled Paul Beltran. And Beltran is on the line to shoot 2 bonus shots for the Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, shoutout muna natin dito ang isa sa ating mga courtside reporters. We have Rain Reyes. Ayan, happy viewing po. Now, no good on that attempt by jersey number 24 on the side of the Blue Dolphins, Beltran. Now, no good on that second attempt by Beltran. Same ball possession for the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers with 16 seconds to shoot and 30 seconds on our first quarter. Alimuin to jersey number 27. Ayan. Now, jersey number 10 struggling here. No good on that shot.
He's being double teamed now by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Same thing here with jersey number 2 of the Blue Dolphins, Troy Belair.
Dalawa pala LA yung Escano natin on the side of the White Tigers rather. We have Gabriel Escano and Andrew Escano. Ayan.
Mac. Actually, Mac yung first name nila pero nag-iba lang doon sa second name. Kaya usually nagamit din Mac Escano. So medyo nakakalula kung sinong Escano talaga yung tinutukoy natin. And that ends our first quarter for the Blue Dolphins and Pasakaw Academy. Pasakaw leading 2 against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We'll be right back after the short break. Second quarter of action here continues at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. And the Mariners Blue Dolphins will be inbounding the ball to start things up here in the second quarter. Dumalasa hands it to number 23 of the Blue Dolphins. Onto the corner. No good in that teardrop shot. Passes to Zuniga. And that's a traveling violation committed by the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. And Sambahon picks it up on the inside. Scrambling for the ball with Luan Singh. And the White Tigers secures that ball possession, but there was a foul.
Ayun, natawagan dito ng pushing foul si Beltran on the Badong rather, on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Ball possession ngayon ng Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Tingnan natin LA kung paano nila ipapagpatuloy yung kanilang kalabangan dito sa ating second quarter. An advantage on the side of the White Tigers now. Ali Muin to jersey number 27 Escano. Now, with a 3 points attempt, no good.
It's the Escano brothers playing for the second time for the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Mac Gabriel and Mac Andrew Escano. And Paul Beltran will inbound the ball for the Blue Dolphins. Hands it to Dumalasa. Swings the ball to the corner. Zuniga. And a couple of substitutions here for the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Asamoranto and Mac Andrew Escano checks in for the White Tigers. And right now we have an update from the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Let's check in our courtside reporter, Hannah. Hannah, take it away.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. And we are on our second quarter. And what an outstanding back and forth battle coming from our two teams. And as the first quarter ended, the Mariners Blue Dolphins are trying to consistently take the lead, focusing on 1-2-1-1 gameplay. At kitang-kita nyo naman na sila ay determinado na makalamang. Kaya naman, abangan natin kung ano pang mainit na gameplay ang kanilang ipapakita. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Hannah, on that update from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Ayun, abangan natin kung ano yung eagerness na ipapakita nila this time, since the Pasacao Academy White Tigers is still the dominant team here with 2 points lead. Pero nakikita naman natin yung paghihigpit ng depensa dito ng Mariners Blue Dolphins, since medyo na-hold din yung scores natin for the past 2 minutes of this second quarter with 16-14. Wala pang nakakapuntos dito sa ating second quarter. Now let's see with a 3 points attempt, and that's good this time by jersey number 21 De Leon on the side of the Blue Dolphins.
He fires that shot from way downtown, and here comes a steal by Paul Beltran. And Paul Beltran flies, but number 21 cleans up that shot, and that forces a timeout on the side of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers with the 19-16 up in our scoreboard.
Grabe, may follow-up
The
doon.
Mariners Blue Dolphins leads 3 points against the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
May follow-up doon si De Leon on that shot by jersey number 23 Sambahon. Now let's see kung ano yung mga adjustments na gagawin nila dito sa timeout na itinawag ng Pasacao Academy White Tigers. And as we can see, LA, makulimlim yung panahon natin outside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Pero parang sumasabay din itong ating dalawang team sa panahon. Hindi pa tayo nakakakita ng momentum or yung init. Ayan, hindi pa natin nakikita yung tunay na init ng bukal dito sa ating first half. Well, hintay natin yan,
And
LA.
also, a nice time to wind up in the summer capital of Bicol. We have Pasacao, and we want to actually experience that place. And here comes, and speaking of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers, they are trailing by 3 points in this ball game. We have Aljon Oriol on the floor as he fires a three, but comes up
Now,
short.
jersey number 21, De Leon again. Now to 77, Dumalasa. Let's see here.
Swings it to the corner.
Now, with that steal by Patricio to jersey number 20. Now to jersey number 11, Zuniga.
Medyo
16 rather.
nahihirapan sa ball control dito yung Mariners Blue Dolphins. So the Pasacao Academy White Tigers taking advantage by actually playing tough. And he overshoots that one.
Ay natawagan dito ng pushing foul si jersey number 42, Escano. Andre Escano on the side of the White Tigers. A chance here to raise their lead on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, jersey number 77, Dumalasa. A steal here by jersey number 16, Zuniga with that layup, no good. Now, turned over on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Pero, may steal dito si Oriol. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 21, De Leon. Pero same ball possession on the side of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Oriol hands it to Amoranto. He was being picked up there by a double team of the Blue Dolphins. Therefore, he has a hard time shooting that one. Dumalasa to Belir. Now on the inside. Still an overshoot for the Blue Dolphins. Still having a cold start for both of these teams as a couple of back-to-back steals. Now here comes Beltran, almost getting that teardrop shot but hits the rim but doesn't go in.
Now, with that big man, no good on that attempt. Now jersey number 3, Oriol again. Nagmamadali on the side of the White Tigers pero overshoot.
Couple of missed opportunities actually on
Sayang.
the fast break opportunities as Oriol missing that one, and also now foul on number 20 of the Pasacao Academy.
Amoranto on the side of the White Tigers. 2 free throws ang gigagawa dito kay jersey number 77, Dumalasa on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Ngo & Sons Trading Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions. Maraming salamat po. We also have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, Haiti Sportswear, and Apparel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta with that back-to-back points by the Blue Dolphins, courtesy of jersey number 77, Dumalasa.
And actually a great start on the midway point as Dumalasa
again. Grabe. Let's see. Once again, LA. No hesitation shot by Dumalasa. Clean basket on the side of the Blue Dolphins with their 7 points lead kontra dito sa ating Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
just as Pio was hands up on that three-pointer of Dumalasa. But Dumalasa still manages to get that one. Now here's a three from the corner.
Back-to-back 3 of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Let's see once again on the corner. And a clean basket again. Napakalinis magtrabaho nitong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins pagdating sa 3 puntos.
Kanina, we have a 4-point lead But right now, it's a double-digit 13-point lead to enter the midway point of the second quarter.
Ayun, natawagan dito ng foul si Amoranto on the side of the White Tigers. Medyo naka-hold na LA yung score dito ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. As you can see, 16 points yung nagawang puntos pa nila yan dun sa ating first quarter. With that jersey number 13 standing on the free throw line, Christian Joseph Espejo, with 4 minutes and 12 seconds remaining dito sa ating first half.
And he missed that shot. So, Pasakaw Academy basketball here with 4 minutes and 10 seconds left in the second quarter of action.
No good pa rin on the side of the White Tigers.
Doesn't get a good bounce on that shot as Beltran scoring once again for the Blue Dolphins. Despite number 14 Rico Benbio at his back trying to block that shot as Gab Escano fires a 3, almost a 4-point play opportunity. As he was fouled by number 13 of the Blue Dolphins, CJ Espejo.
Syempre LA, shoutout muna natin dito yung ating mga hands-on na medics. We have Angelica Peñaflor and Lawrence Pilago. Ayan, mga hands-on medics natin for Bukal. And that's it. Nakapuntos na po itong ating White Tigers dito sa ating second quarter with that free throw by Escano on the side of the White Tigers. Now let's see once again. No good on that third attempt. Now
Benbio fakes that one.
Pero he gets that pull-up jumper. And that's good. Let's see once again.
Beltran and Belir as he fakes that shot.
Nakuha niya dun yung dalawa, no? Napakagandang fake. Let's see. Escano.
Gab Escano. And Bio gets that one on the defensive rebound, and a timeout is now issued by the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 31-21, a 10-point lead of the Blue Dolphins. We'll be right back after the short break only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
We're once again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for the 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining of our second quarter. A 10 points lead of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Tingnan natin LA kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan dito sa pagpapatuloy natin dito sa ating second quarter. And as we can see, the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers struggling to keep up their points kontra dito sa Blue Dolphins. And the Blue Dolphins is showing a good dominant round here.
Dumalasa, no hesitation, falls from the floor after that three, and he's now called for a warning for faking a foul. Almost selling that pass, or almost selling that foul, and getting almost a 3-point shot, but rather called for a warning for faking a foul. Here comes the Blue Dolphins again.
Nahihirapan dito dumipensa itong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers because of that fast-paced game na ginagawa nitong ating Blue Dolphins.
Gab Escano sends Revilla on the line for a bonus shot.
Atienza checked in change of jersey number 27. Escano on the side of the White Tigers. Now let's see here. That's good for that first attempt. Clean basket for jersey number 0, Revilla on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining on our second quarter. 11 points lead. Dinagdagan pa ng isa. 12 points lead on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now let's see.
Biggest margin we have here from the 13-point lead. The Mariners Blue Dolphins back again at 12 points. And basket is good. Plus a foul for the number 1, Jazel Atienza.
Let's see once again with that motion. Ayan, natapik doon ni Revilla. Concluding a shooting foul. A 3 points play opportunity for jersey number 1, and that's good for the 3 points play.
He completes that 3-point play opportunity after that free throw attempt and also after that foul by Revilla. And here comes Sambahon. Hands it to Dumalasa.
Now, no good on that spin and shot.
Almost a save there by Dumalasa, but Oriol gets that one from the Blue Dolphins.
Francisco with that spin, no good. Now Sambahon, and a steal here by the White Tigers.
Kabang doon si Oriol to get that steal, and Atienza
to Francisco.
outbalance pa doon si Atienza, but a good pass to Francisco to get a point for the Blue Dolphins. And now napababa dito yung kalamangan ng Mariners Blue Dolphins as we head into the minutes to a 1-minute mark of our second quarter.
Now,
medyo may technical difficulties po tayo on the part of the microphone. So, and that's a nice point for the Blue Dolphins.
now, jersey number 8, Bola. Ayan na, tawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul. Si jersey number 8, Chris Bola on the side of the White Tigers.
And a 2 free throws plus ball possession for the Blue Dolphins.
Ayan, titingnan natin kung bakit natawagan dito ng unsportsmanlike foul si jersey number 8, Chris Bola on the side of Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. As our officials discussing on that sequence with 1 minute, ayan, 1 minute remaining on our second quarter. We'll be having a officials challenge. We'll be having a review. We'll be having a replay kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon, LA. And for the meantime, let's give thanks to our sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Gold Glofa Construction, ACLC Naga, Lemon Residences, Ateneo de Naga University, NCF Wings, KD Sportswear and Apparel, Garden Cafe, Naga in Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe, NCF Training Pool, NCF Indoor Firing Range, and of course, Bukal Season 6 coverage is powered by Converge Fiber X, by Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated, and Ravenous Communications Incorporated. We also have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, Enjoy Realty, and Development Corporation. We also have Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mac Mendoza. Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. We also have BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang number 1. Department of Agriculture, Bicol. Special thanks also to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, and of course, Digital Graphics. We also would like to commend our media partners We have One Media TV, 48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, headed by our station manager, Sir Jermin Jacob, our technical director, Engineer RJ Rebedorial, and our napakagandang production administrator, we have Ma'am Irene Tosok. Alright, so now we have the verdict from our officials. Let's hear it, LA.
And also our game officials in this match. The men and women in the middle, Benanong Chumacera Jr., Edmond Faraon, and Rosel Ponting. On our officials from the SBP Naga City Elite referees. It's still a continuing discussion here between our officials. And a technical foul on number 8 of the White Tigers, Chris Bola. And Dumalasa will be on the line for that 2 free throws. And also we have to like to give a shout out to Coach Tope Espinosa. Their game will be up next when the USI Falcons face the STI Olympians in the second round of action here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. At kahapon, natalo na upset din nila yung may 5-game winning streak na Genesis Roaring Lions in the first game of and elevates once again to an unsportsmanlike foul for Chris Bola.
Ayan, at 2 free throws ang igagawa dito on the side of the Blue Dolphins, courtesy of jersey number 77 Dumalasa, and ball possession on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 1 minute remaining on our second quarter. Ayan, ang makakasama nyo na po sa bakbakan ng STI Olympians and the USI Falcons. We have LA Lapid and Mark Christian Amante. Shout out tayo dito sa ating courtside reporter, ang ating very dedicated courtside reporter. We have Miss Kyla Casulia. Happy viewing po.
1 minute to go here for both of these teams in the second quarter, and a traveling violation committed by Dumalasa.
Now 51 seconds remaining with 10 points lead of the Blue Dolphins here, and a steal here by Dumalasa with that in and out ball. Sayang yung opportunity na yun. Now chases the ball, pero what a move
Almost
here.
Going inside there, but
sayang yung
tapos
opportunity. Oriol misses that shot. Sayang yung opportunity yan on the side of the White Tigers. Now a steal, back-to-back steal of the White Tigers
Here
with
comes
20
Jazel.
seconds.
Atienza almost getting that 3-point play opportunity, but 2 free throws will be given to him as he steps on the line for 2 free throws.
18 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. And that's good for that second attempt. 2 free throws by Atienza, and that forces a timeout on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. 18 seconds ang natitira dito sa ating second quarter. Titingnan natin, LA, kung ano yung gagawin nilang adjustments dito sa last seconds ng ating first half. Siguro they take this time out para naman pagpahingahin yung kanilang mga players. And of course, gumawa ng adjustments on their side. Alright, so we have 8 points lead on the side of the Blue Dolphins. We'll see kung ano pa yung ipapakita nila sa atin. Now, ball possession of the Blue Dolphins. Sambahon with 15 seconds to shoot here. Sambahon to Dumalasa with 7 seconds to shoot with a 3-point attempt, and that's good!
Nice ender for the Blue Dolphins as 5 seconds is left on the clock.
Let's see De Leon with that clean basket. Napakalinis magtrabaho nitong Blue Dolphins LA, no? Pagdating sa kanilang 3-point shots. Grabe na, tumawag pa nga dito ng timeout ang ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers on that last 5 seconds ng ating second quarter. 28-39, 11 points lead, double-digit lead again ang nagawa dito ng ating MPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, ball possession of the White Tigers at the ends up to inbound. A save here.
Almost getting that shot from way outside, but that ends our second quarter, 39-28. Mariners Blue Dolphins leading against the White Tigers. We'll be right back for the second half of action.
Empower the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
We're once again back here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for this second half. We have 11 points lead of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Kami pa rin po ang inyong makakasama, Jasper Abante and LA Lapid dito sa ating second half. Abangan natin kung ano yung ginawa nilang adjustments on that halftime break. And LA, tingnan natin kung ano yung ginawa ditong game plan nitong ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, kung paano sila makakabawi on this second half.
Especially they down by 11 at this point. Medyo yung shot dito ng Pasakaw Academy, medyo nag-adjust pa sila. Almost same yung yung sa first and second quarter. Hands it to Dumalasa. Now back to, here comes Beltran. Dumalasa now on the corner for 3. Overshoots that one.
Ayan, nanonood pala sa ating Facebook Live si Coach Brian Ayo, the head coach of the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Ayan, happy viewing po, Coach Brian. And of course, we also have here our courtside reporters, our very dedicated courtside reporters. We have here Miss Lizlene Habala and Miss Chen Nicolas. Makakasama natin sila maya-maya lamang. Ayan, happy viewing po sa lahat ng nanonood via Bukal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Tutok lamang kayo for more actions dahil nakikita na natin LA ngayon yung pagbawing ginagawa dito ng Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. And speaking of the White Tigers, nandiyan ang ating courtside reporter na si Precious to give us an update. Alright, so hi Precious, take it away.
Thank you, LNA Jasper. Marhay na daw, Bicolanja. Despite the last game against the Roaring Lions not being in their favor, ay bumabalik muli sa hardcourt ng Ateneo Gymnasium upang maipamalas ang angking strategiya, tiwala sa sarili at lalong-lalo na sa bawat isa ang kanilang pinangahawakan. The White Tigers are getting bold and fiercer to bounce back and aim a spot for victory. But then again, as the ball is rotating, kakayanin nga kaya ng White Tigers na madepensahan ang laro. Yan ang pakatutukan. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Precious, on that update from the side of Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Abangan natin yung ginawa talaga nilang adjustments, lalong-lalo na sa kanilang depensa after that halftime break. Dahil nakikita naman natin na medyo madaling nakakapuntos dito itong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins dun sa nagdaan na first half rather, pero ngayon nakikita natin yung pagbawing sinasabi ng ating Pasakaw Academy White Tigers after that 2 points attempt by jersey number 4 Francisco, and that forces a timeout on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, let's hear an update from the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Nandiyan na ng ating courtside reporter na si Hana. Hi Hana, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you, LA and Jasper. And on the side of the Mariners, the first half ended with a double-digit lead, focusing on the fast-paced approach and 2-2-1 gameplay with a screening defense and right execution of their play. For the next quarters, Coach Jonathan reminded his team to stay calm and focused inside the court and work together at mas palakasin pa ang kanilang defensive wall na nabuo on the first half. Talaga nga namang all out ang Mariners Blue Dolphins and they are really giving their best shot to secure the lead and win this game because as you can see, the game is still in their favor. Ano pa kaya ang game-changing adjustments at outstanding performance ang ipapakita ng Mariners Blue Dolphins? Ma-maintain kaya nila ang kanilang lamang at masecure ang panalo ngayong umaga. Kaya naman tumutok lamang dahil ang basketball action ay nagsisimula pa lang. Yan muna ang update. Balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Hannah, on that update from the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Nakikita na natin dito ang pagbawing ginagawa ng White Tigers courtesy of jersey number 4 Francisco. And abangan natin yung mga nakatutok sa ating Facebook Live. And of course, LA, abangan natin yung right execution ng kanilang gameplay dito sa ating second half dahil ayun na nga, nakalabang sila sa ating first half dahil they had the right execution of their gameplay. So tingnan natin kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan dito sa ating second half after that back-to-back points.
However,
by
Pasakaw
the White
Academy
Tigers.
is now on a scoring run. And it's a 3-point lead of the Mariners Blue Dolphins here in the third quarter with a low-scoring ball game here in the third quarter. As Belair fires a 3.
Napakagandang bawi naman on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Belair with that 3 points pero still here. Not a steal but a ball possession. No good on that attempt and a defensive rebound here on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now jersey number 24 with that easy layup, adding their lead here on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, a steal here again of the Blue Dolphins, jersey number 24 with that easy layup. Back-to-back 2 points, 3 points by Belair, and back-to-back 2 points of the MPCF Blue Dolphins, and that forces a timeout on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers. Siyempre, i-shoutout muna natin dito ang ating napakagandang courts commentator. We have Ate Tin Reyes. Ayan, happy viewing. And we also have here Ate Amanda, the courtside reporter or the resident courtside reporter of the CSPC Blue Stallions. Ayan, happy viewing po sa ating live audiences via Bukal Facebook page. We also have here Jean Alvaro and Laika. Happy viewing po. As we continue our third quarter with 5 minutes and 39 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Now,
Scrambling for that ball, and here comes the Blue Dolphins securing that one. Beltran is fouled.
2 free throws ang gagawa dito to jersey number
24
of the Blue Dolphins. That is Beltran.
Legaspi fouled Beltran while Beltran on flight to shoot for a teardrop shot.
Kaabang-abang itong bakbakan. Yung next game natin, LA, kaabang-abang. We have the STI Olympians and the USI Falcons in the seniors division. Grabe, nakikita natin yung dominant run, no? Nitong ating USI Falcons. Pero tingnan natin kung papayagan ba sila ng ating STI Falcons with that 3-point shot by jersey number 3, Oriol. And that's good on the side of the Blue Dolphins, of the White Tigers rather. Maagang bawi naman on the side of the Blue Dolphins with a 2-point shot by jersey number 13.
Here comes Jazzel Atienza, double team by Dumalasa and number 23.
Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 77 Dumalasa on the side of the Blue Dolphins. 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter.
Open for that 3. Now, he gets that from the corner.
Jersey
Jazzel
number
Atienza.
1. Let's see once again with that inbound pass. No hesitation shot, took that 3-point shot.
There's no coverage on that play. Now a miscue by the Blue Dolphins. Taken advantage by the White Tigers.
Napakalinis ng tres by Atienza on that last sequence. Let's see. Dahil another opportunity for the White Tigers. Grabe LA, yung ganitong score kahapon on the game of the UNC Greyhounds and the Ateneo Dinaga Junior Golden Knights. Ganito kababa yung score nila dun sa ating fourth and last quarter.
And here comes number 2 to number 13. Dumalasa. Fadeaway jumper but doesn't go in as he airballs that shot. Atienza, almost a good pass on the inside but a steal by the Blue Dolphins. And Escano, easy basket on that. And Beltran having trouble of controlling that ball possession. And he's called for a pushing foul.
Siyempre, shoutout din natin dito ang ating courtside reporter, our lovely courtside reporter, Maui, na nanonood sa ating live coverage. Now, ball possession of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. 3 puntos na lamang yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Magandang bawi ang ipinakita sa atin ng ating White Tigers. Now, let's see. Sambahon with 11 seconds to shoot for the Blue Dolphins here. With that 3 points attempt, no good. And a defensive rebound here by jersey number 9. Now to Oriol. With 3 minutes on the game clock. Now, Escano with that foul by jersey number 23, Sambahon. Ayan, at penalty situation na po tayo on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. 2 free throws ang gigagawa dito kay Escano. A chance to cut off the lead of the MPCF Blue Dolphins to 1 point. No good on that first attempt by Escano. Now, makulimlim na LA yung ating panahon dito sa Ateneo Dinaga University. Let's see. Dahil medyo pinapainit na ng dalawang teams na ito yung ating gymnasium. And for sure, LA, mas mainit yung susunod na laban. USI and STI. Now, jersey number 21 with a 3 points attempt and no good on that attempt. Defensive rebound here by Atienza.
Atienza will be going solo and doesn't get that layup attempt to go for his fast break attempt. Now here comes Paul Beltran. Layup, that's good. Smooth move, a layup by Paul Beltran.
Let's look at it once again. LA with that Beltran. Lumilipad. And that's good for the 2 points.
Blue Dolphins can also have wings after that shot by Paul Beltran.
Ayan, nandyan ang ating sponsor. We have the NCF Wings. Not only Tigers can have wings, but the Dolphins can also have wings. Let's see kung yung Tigers magkaka-wings din ngayon. With that 3 points attempt and clean basket
That
on
ties
the
up.
side.
Or that extends the lead of the Blue Dolphins.
Grabe. Napakalinis magtrabaho talaga nitong ating Blue Dolphins. Napakagandang tres. Atid sa atin yan ang KD Sportswear and Apparel, the best jersey maker.
Another one.
Here in Naga City, no good this time.
Hands it to Bola. Mac Escano to Jazel Atienza.
No good on that back shot. Pero another chance for the White Tigers na Oriol to Escano again and out of bounds as the White Tigers will take the ball possession. 1 minute remaining dito sa ating third quarter. 49-55. 6 points lead of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Now, Same ball possession pa rin on the side of the White Tigers.
With 1 minute still on the game clock. And the Pasacao Academy is still trailing here in their matchup against the Blue Dolphins.
Now, jersey number 16.
Being double teamed here. Now, number 42, Escano.
With that off-balance shot. Fadeaway shot. Napakagandang aksyon on the side of the White Tigers.
Mariners Blue Dolphins looking to extend once again the lead here as Hans Sambahon. Now on the corner, Belir doesn't go in. Now here comes the defensive rebound by Regaspi.
Now jersey number 8, Chris Bola.
Bola.
No hesitation.
Spins and doesn't go in.
In and out ball. Turnover on the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Natawagan dito ng foul si Chris Bola. Ayan, shoutout tayo dito kay Rex Belgica of the STI Olympians and also to Jesus Tondo na nakatutok sa ating live coverage. Ayan. 10 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Sambahon rushes to the inside with 21.
Nice fake.
Fires for the 3. No good on that attempt. Now, with 1 second. And, ayun na nga LA. Dun na. Tinapos na ang ating laban with 51-55 for the third quarter. Diyan lamang po kayo at magbabalik po kami for the fourth and last quarter only here on Bukal Facebook Live. Also on Oragon Sports TV Facebook Live and Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Once again live here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium for our fourth and last quarter. Ngayon LA, dito na natin matutunghayan, dito na natin malalaman kung sino ang mag-uuwi ng panalo dito sa ating second round of eliminations. Will it be the MPCF Blue Dolphins for their second win this season and their first win on the second round eliminations, or the Pasacao Academy White Tigers will finally get their first win this season? 4 points lead of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Let's see kung ilan pa ang idadagdag nila dito. Now, Sambahon
swings
to
it to
Dumalasa.
Dumalasa. 3!
That's good!
Clean basket. Nothing but the net for Dumalasa.
Hatid sa atin yan LA ng Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. Napakagandang tres, napakalinis. And the whistle, traveling violation ang itinawag dito kay jersey number 8 Chris Bola on the side of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Syempre LA, traveling is more fun with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Now, Sambahon passes it to Dumalasa. Fires for the 3 again. Muntik na. No good on that attempt this time. Now, crossover. Jersey number 16, no good. And may follow-up shot dyan. Si Escano, nakikita na natin LA. White Tigers have the wings also.
As Escano tips it in from the miss of number 16, Zuniga.
Now, Sambahon pushes to the inside with that easy layup. 2 points using his right hand. Turnover on the side of the White Tigers. Now, Zuniga to Alimuin. Now to Escano. That's good for Escano on the side of the White Tigers. 2 puntos. 5 points lead na po ang ating MPCF Blue Dolphins. Mahaba-haba pa ang ating oras. Now, Sambahon On the corner, jersey number 21 is that 3 points again. Nothing but the basket. Grabe, jersey number 21, De Leon. On the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins, nagpakawala na naman ng tres. Pero may bawi dito. Si jersey number 16, Zuniga. On the side of the White Tigers, ayan na LA. Umiinit na. Palitan, salitan ng puntos on the side of the White Tigers. And of course, ang ating MPCF Blue Dolphins.
A run on their own for the Pasacao Academy White Tigers.
Another chance.
Alimoen. Ball was stripped away from him by Dumalasa. And here's a substitution for the Blue Dolphins and the White Tigers as Cabescano checks in for the White Tigers.
Ayan, shoutout muna tayo dito kay Nenet Madronero na nanonood sa ating Facebook Live. Happy viewing po. Ayan, nakikita natin makulimlim sa labas pero yung gym natin patuloy ang pag-init. Now, Escano to Escano pero the ball slips away and turnover on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins.
Here comes Dumalasa.
Now, shoot na sana pero pinasa pa. And still, a chance for them to shoot that ball. Pero jersey number 2, Belir, tries to secure that ball. And still, on the side of the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. Now, Alimuin. To Escano, double team Escano. Libreng-libre, jersey number 24, sinabayan pa ni Zuniga. Magkakaroon dito ng 2 shots. Si jersey number 24.
And now 2 free throws for Paul Beltran. Gets that first free throw to go for the Blue Dolphins.
6 minutes and 47 seconds remaining with that 7 points lead of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Tries to add 1. And in and out ball. Grabe. Now, offensive rebound on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 2, Belir.
Almost going out on that motion.
To Dumalasa, fars for the 3. No good this time. And nagkapatungan dito LA. Si jersey number 13 and jersey number 27 on the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. And speaking of the MPCF Blue Dolphins, let's hear an update from our courtside reporter, Hannah. Hannah, take it away.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. And we are now on our last quarter. And the Dolphins are still on fire and they are consistently taking the lead. And looking back on the third quarter, the Dolphins are maintaining their momentum and lead, focusing on fast pacing and outstanding defense para ma-maintain ang kanilang lamang laban sa Pasacao Academy. And for this quarter, they are still trying their 1-2-2 gameplay and harden their defense and also avoid committing errors sa loob ng hardcourt. At talagang sisiguraduhin nila na ibibigay na nila ang kanilang 100% and perform their adjustments well to win this game dahil this is their do or die chance to prove na sila ang mananalo sa araw na ito. Sino kaya sa dalawang teams na ito ang mananalo? Yan ang abangan natin, kaya panatilihin kayo ay nakatutok. Yan muna ang update, balik sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Hannah, on that update from the side of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Tingnan natin, LA, kung paano ibibigay nitong ating MPCF Blue Dolphins yung kanilang all-out for our fourth quarter since we are about to approach the midway of our fourth and last quarter. Now, ball possession of the White Tigers here. Bio looking for a good open shot here. And speaking of the White Tigers, ready na ang ating courtside reporter na si Precious to give us an update. Alright, so hi Precious, anong update natin dyan?
Yes, LA and Jasper, sinisigurado nga ng ating White Tigers ang kanilang bawat tira at depensa as they were reminded to maintain their focus sa bawat segundo ng laro at lalong-lalo na sa bola. The White Tigers is setting their fullest best to dominate the opponent. So stay tuned dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, as the White Tigers grind and revive their defenses. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent all the way from the bench of White Tigers. Balik sa inyo, LA and Jasper.
Thank you so much, Precious, on that update for the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. When your team is down by that margin, it is an adrenaline or a huge pressure on their backs to come up big and now put themselves in the win-loss column for Division 2, especially the Pasacao Academy are 0-6 in the Division 2, and the Mariners Blue Dolphins trying to get a good start for the second round of elimination. And the Mariners Blue Dolphins or the Pasacao Academy hasn't missed a quarterfinals game and for last season they've entered the quarterfinals facing the ACLC Hawks, but coming up short. And here comes Jazel Atienza on the corner. Number 14, Rico Bio doesn't get that pull-up jumper to go. Jazel Atienza fails to make that one.
Now, defensive rebound on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Jersey number 24 rushes. No good. And a steal here on the side of the White Tigers. Sayang yung fast break opportunity na iyon. Let's see. Francisco come short on that. Pero may kasabay siyang foul. Jersey number 23, Sambahon. Now, 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Francisco on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Ayan, pasalamatan na muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have our major sponsors, Bigs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, Nguyen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated, Pocari Sweat, and 3GX ICT Solutions Incorporated. We also have the Aman Engineering and Enterprise, Skytech Advertising, owned and managed by Sir Mark Mendoza, Duty Free Philippines, shop at dutyfreephilippines.com.ph. BMEG, Alagang BMEG, Alagang. Number 1, Universidad de Santa Isabel. And of course, Department of Agriculture Bicol. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Now back to the ball game and still here on the side of the Wild Tigers with 3 points lead of the Blue Dolphins. And back-to-back steal, defensive rebound. Jersey number 24 to De Leon, and that's good for jersey number 21, De Leon, on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Now,
Blue Dolphins maintaining their cool in the fourth quarter as Francisco slides up the defense to get that teardrop shot to go. And here comes a long pass to Paul Beltran, once again going on flight for that layup. Once again, the White Tigers trailing here. Bio hands it to Francisco. Back-to-back points for both of these teams. A 3-point lead of the Blue Dolphins as we enter the last 2-minute mark of the fourth quarter.
Sambahon now to jersey number 24, Beltran, with 7 seconds to shoot. Now 27, and that's good for jersey number 24, Beltran.
Back-to-back points for Paul Beltran.
Double team siya doon, pero no problem for Beltran.
And also he gets the lead of the Blue Dolphins to 5.
Foul on the side of the Blue Dolphins. Natawagan dito ng foul si jersey number 3, Badong. Now 2 free throws ang igagawa dito kay Bio. Last 2 minutes and 8 seconds for our ball game. That's good for that first attempt. 66 rather to 70. 4 points lead of the MPCF Blue Dolphins. Let's see kung makakabawi sila dito dahil napakalapit ng kanilang puntos. Now, 20 seconds to shoot for the Blue Dolphins here. Now, jersey number 2. Last 2 minutes for our ball game. Belir slowing things down. Now Sambahon with 8 seconds to shoot. Rushes to the inside with no hesitation. No good pero may bawi dyan. Si jersey number 21 De Leon. Back-to-back points by John Michael De Leon for the Blue Dolphins.
He was there to come to be on the rescue for the Blue Dolphins for the second chance point, and almost a mouth-balance sana doon si Belir. But he steps on the line just as Oriol was defending him, and here comes a timeout for the White Tigers. With 1 minute and 30 seconds, the Pasakaw Academy is still trailing against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. We're 72-66 with Mariners Blue Dolphins on the verge of their second win this season. And as you have a look here at the bench of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers, looking to plan eagerly on how can they bounce back in this win, or how can they bounce back in this game against the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Same thing here with the Mariners Blue Dolphins. You see here a snapshot of the Mariners Blue Dolphins also planning for a last game situation, and also a last game chance for them to maintain their lead and composure and cool for this ball game.
Ayan, susunod na bakbakan natin, STI Olympians and the USA Falcons in the seniors division. LA Lapid pa rin pang inyong makakasama together with Sir Mark Christian Amante. Ayan, tutok lamang for our second game. And of course, yung mga susunod pang laban this Sunday, we have a 5 actions. Fully packed tayo ngayong Sunday.
It's the quintuple header Sunday of action.
Now, Oriol to jersey number 1. Now Oriol again.
Shot clock expiring.
Bio with a 3 points attempt, no good. Now a steal on the side.
Paul Angelo once again scores and soars high for that layup attempt with 1 minute left in our game clock. Bio, that's a steal by Beltran.
Now back-to-back chances of the Blue Dolphins, 66-74.
And Bio forces a foul on Paul Beltran.
Oh yeah, this is the last minute LA of our ball game. Now Dumalasa.
Is crucial for both of these teams.
Yes, 14 seconds to shoot here.
No good in that teardrop shot, but
may
there was
kasabay.
a foul.
Yes. 2 free throws ang igagawa dito. Kay Allen Sambahon. Andre Escano is out of the game since he is excluded after that 5 consecutive fouls. A disadvantage on the side of the Pasakaw Academy White Tigers since Escano is one of their key players. Pero let's see kung ano pang ipapakita nila dito sa ating 49 seconds remaining. Now another offensive rebound for the Blue Dolphins. Sambahon with 9 seconds to shoot for the Blue Dolphins now. Jersey number 24. Now Dumalasa.
Looking to dribble it out.
And basket count, sabayan pa yun ng foul. Dagdagan pa yun natin ng 3 points play opportunity. Napakagandang momentum on the side of the Blue Dolphins with 10 points lead. Kontra dito sa ating White Tigers, 36 seconds remaining on our 4th and last quarter. Napakagandang momentum yung ipinakita ng ating NPCF Blue Dolphins dito sa ating last 2 minutes ng ating ball game.
And there's a shot for the White Tigers, but they are coming up short in terms of the game clock as 24 seconds is still left on the game clock.
Now, Blue Dolphins, jersey number 2, Belir. 17 seconds to shoot with that easy shot. No effort by jersey number 24, Paul Angelo Beltran. Now, Oriol,
Now 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
On
And
the verge for the second win this season, but still not finished for both of this team. And that's official. 78 to 68. Mariners Blue Dolphins win against the Pasacao Academy White Tigers. We'll be right back after this short break at makikilala natin kung sino
the next generation of engineers. The Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF, College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa Bimeg Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa Bimeg Integra. Nakastibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Universidad de Santa Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower.
Thank you, LA and Jasper. And the best player of the game is brought to you by Naga College Foundation. And now, we have here the best player of the game with the stats of 34 points, 19 rebounds, 7 steals, and 1 assist. Jersey number 24, Paul Angelo Beltran. How does it feel na your contribution is sa iyong team finally paid off dahil ikaw ang best player of the game?
Nag-focus lang po kami sa sinabi ni Coach and na-execute lang namin yung play.
And ano ang mga naging motivation ng inyong team para ma-secure ang panalo sa araw na ito?
Nag-all out lang kami sa practice. Talagang pigpursige namin para pagdating dito sa hardcourt ma-apply namin.
Thank you and congratulations to you and to your team's victory. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen, the best player of the game. At tumutok lamang kayo dahil nagsisimula pa lamang ang basketball action sa araw na ito. Only here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. I am Hannah Moral reporting from the side of the Mariners Blue Dolphins. Back to the panel.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Naga College Foundation player of the game is none other than jersey number 24, Paul Angelo Beltran, with 34 points, 19 rebounds, 7 steals, and 1 assist. A double-double performance by Paul Beltran, lifting his team for a victory, their second win in this conference.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng tumutok sa ating Facebook Live coverage. Tutok lamang po for more actions, top-tier basketball actions. Susunod na ang bakbakan ng STI Olympians and of course ng ating USI Falcons in the seniors division. Makakasama yung LA Lapid pa rin and Sir Mark Christian Amante to more actions. Once again, this is Jasper Abante.
I am LA Lapid. More actions coming up in Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium and also here at Bukal Season 6 where future rise. And only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.